Sixth standard students, in your syllabus the new chapter is Playing with Numbers, chapter 3, introduction. Ramesh has 6 marbles with him. You can see the arrangement of marbles. What he has done in first row, 1 marble, so first row, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and column is 1. So 6, 1 column and 6. So 1 6 are 6. Other way, 1 2 3, 3 rows and 2 columns. So 2 3s are 6. And the third way, 1 2, 2 rows and 1 2 3, 3 columns. So 3 2s are 6. So all the factors of 6, what we can say? 1 2 3 6. You can take other number. Already we have taken in the online class the numbers. So in short, what we can say that 6 is divisible by 1, by 2, by 3, by 6. Exactly. That means with remainder 0. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Now you can use this way for 18 marbles also. Now factors and multiples. What is the difference between factors and multiples? Let us see. You can see here the number is 4. Number is divisible, completely divisible by 1. 4 is completely divisible by 2. But if we will divide by 3, definitely the remainder will be 1. So 3 is not a factor of 4. And 4 is divided by 4. So all the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. It is called factor. So in short, we can say that a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So the definition of factor is, underline this definition. Then game 1, this is game to be played by 2 persons, say A and B. It is about spotting factors. So you will read, already we have discussed in the online class. Now you will read the rules of the game and try to play, and you will make one video and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Steps, you will read, you will play. Now I am explaining this thing. You can see here 4 5s are 20. If we will take all the factors of 20, then we can say that 20 is divisible by 1, 20 is divisible by 2, 20 is divisible by 4, 20 is not divisible by 3, 20 is divisible by 5. Then directly 20 is divisible by 6, not by 7, no, by 8, by 9, by 10. So all the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So other language we can say that all the factors, what we can say that this is the number, is a multiple of all the factors. Suppose that 20 is divisible by 1 20 times. So 20 is multiple of 1 and 20 is multiple of 20. In other way, 20 is divisible by 2 and 10. So 20 is the multiple of 2, 20 is the multiple of 10. In this way we can say that. So here it is written, we can say that a number is a multiple of each of its factors. Clear? Now see here, find the possible factors of 45. So already we have discussed in the online class. Now see here, 3, 6, 3 times 9, 4 times 12 and 5 times 15. So these are multiples of 3. That means in short we can say that table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Sixth multiple of 3 is 6 6 are 18. Now we will discuss about rules of factors and multiples. 1 is a factor of every number. Why? Because every number is divisible by 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. And number is itself also a factor of every number. Suppose that 7. 7 is divided by 7 with remainder 0. So 7 is a factor of 7. Then every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. That means if I am telling 4 is a factor of 20, that means 20 is completely divisible by 4. Then next is every factor is less than or equal to given numbers. Now already we have taken all the factors of 20. If you will see all the factors of 20, so 20 is divisible by 1, by 2, by 4, by 5, by 10, by 20. So we can say that factors are less than or equal to the given number. But multiples only equal or greater than the number. If we will write the multiples of 20, so only first multiple, 21s are 20, will be equal to 20. After that 22s are 40, which is greater than 20. 23s are 60, which is also greater than 60. Number of factors of a given number are finite. We can count the factors of the number. So see here, only we will discuss only on the one example, 20. Okay, so all the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. So you can count on your fingers, and if you will count only 6 factors you will get of 20. So we can count. That's why the factors of number are finite, but multiple we can't count. Greatest multiple we can't tell. That's why multiples of the number are infinite. The number of multiples of given number is infinite. Every number is a multiple of itself. 20 ones are 20. So 20 is the multiple of 20. Now underline this paragraph also and this definition. If we will talk about the factors of 6, so factors of 6 are 6 is divisible by 1, by 2, by 3, by 6. Now if we will add all the factors, we are getting 12. You can see here 1 and 2, 3, 3 and 3, 6, 6 and 6, 12. And 12 is just double of 6 because 6 twos are 12. So if in any number this condition is applicable, then the number is called sum of the factors of 6 is twice the number 6. So what we call this number? Yes, a number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number called perfect number. What is called? Perfect number. We can find other number also. Except 28 and 6 you will find and you will send the numbers on my personal WhatsApp number. When we will take all the factors of 28 and if we will add all the factors of 28, we will get the number just double of the 28. So 28 is also perfect number. Now let us start exercise 3.1. Write all the factors of the following numbers. Now see question number first. Given number is 24 and we have to write all the factors of 24. So 24 is completely divisible by 1. So 1 into 24, 24. By 2, 12 times is divisible. So 2 into 12. 24. 3 into 8, 24. 4 into 6, 24. Next number will, when you will take 6, already 6 is there. So we will stop our process here because the numbers are repeating. So all the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. In U shape you will take. Okay. So all the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now B, C, D, E, F, G. You will solve. H I am solving. Given number is 23. You can see when you will divide 23 by 1 23 times, it is divisible. That means 1 into 23 equal to 23. Now 23 is divisible by 23 only. So the factors of 23 are, only two factors are there, 1 and 23. That means number first is 1 and the number itself. That means it is a prime numbers. If a number is having only two factors, first factor is 1 and second one is number itself, then the number is called prime numbers. Okay. Now given number is 36, then 1 into 36, 36, 2 into 18, 36, 3 into 12, 36, 4 into 9, 36, 6 6 are 36. 6 is repeating here, but one more step I have done. Why? Because the exact number are repeating. So we will stop here and all the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Only one time we will write the 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now second question, write first 5 multiples of 5, 8 and 9. I am solving for you this one. First we will write, given number is 9, then 9 into 1, 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. So first 5 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Other language what we can say? We can say 9 and 1 are the factor of 9. 9 and 2 both are the factors of 18. Clear? Now match the items in column 1 with the items in column B. So column 1, 35. 35 is what? Multiple of 8? No. Multiple of 7? Multiple of 70? Factors of 30 and 2 more options are on the next page. So we can say multiple of 7 because 7 5s are 35. 15. 15 is the factor of 30. So in this way you will do this. So you will write here answer number first B. In this way you will complete this. Now find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So table of 9 we have to write till up to 100. That means last number should be 100 or less than 100. Okay. So 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 3s are 27, 4s are 36, 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. And then 9 into 11, so 11 9s are 99. And then if you will take 9 into 12, next number will be greater than 100. So 9 into 11, 9. And in the answer, first you will write this table in the column wise and then you write, so all the multiples of 9 up to 100 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and till 99. Okay. So here 3.1 is finished.